Alright guys, we're gonna clean our throttle body here because I think it's causing loss of power because it's super dirty, but we'll see if that solves my problem. The point is, we're gonna show you how to clean it today. You're gonna need some basic tools like some ratchets with sockets, some shop towels. This gasket costs like $4. You're gonna need to order it. You can get this screwdriver set, and you're gonna need throttle body, air intake cleaner. Buy it from your auto parts store, and some mosquito spray because it's summertime and they're very annoying right now. Alright, so what I did is I used a flathead and I loosened up my cold air intake, and I'm just gonna pull it off here. It's pretty easy to pull off. I'm just gonna move it off to the side. The original, if you haven't modified it, you're gonna have a big air intake box here, and it has like multiple clamps you need to loosen, and you need to take off this. The air filter goes here, you need to take that off. It's more complicated than just having a cold air intake just like this. So just figure out how to remove that part first, and then you can continue. Alright, so I removed the top mass airflow sensor. It's only these two screws here. It's two of these. You just gotta remove it with a Phillips head screwdriver. You just take it out along with this connection here. You also remove this one, and it's off to the side. Here's this one, and the mass airflow sensor. It's the one that fits right in here like this. So you just take it off, move it all to the side because we're gonna be removing this thing. I believe these are 10mm bolts, one here on the top, and then two under. I'll show you exactly where it is. Alright, check this out. This is crazy. Just starting to pull off a little bit, and it's leaking coolant from inside here. That is not supposed to be happening. At least I don't think that's supposed to be happening. That's crazy, dude. Oh my god, that's crazy. Anyways, okay, here's the first bolt. About 10mm. Second bolt right here. The third one, you should be able to see it right there. There's 3 bolts. It's pretty easy. Alright, as you can see, we have a lot of carbon buildup. It's really dirty, and the gasket broke off. So we'll be cleaning that. As long as cleaning in there, cleaning the gasket surface, putting the new gasket on, cleaning all that. Look at all that. It's so dirty, man. The mesh is not that dirty, but we're gonna spray it anyways. We're gonna clean it all up real good. All right, the next step, just get your throttle body air intake cleaner, and just give it a good spray down and wipe it all down. Alright, this is the fun part. Woo. Good old paint job. Got stuff leaking out of there. Yummy. So yeah, just repeat this process. Spray it, wipe it down. Spray it, wipe it down until it gets real nice and clean. Alright, so I need 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna put the camera down. Toothbrush time. Oh yeah. Alright, it's starting to rain. So this is how it's looking. As you can tell, it looks completely different. Very clean now. I just gotta put the gasket on. As you can see a little bit in there. Just gotta put the gasket on, line it up, and then do the reverse process, put everything back together. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I put a napkin in there, 2 napkins. I sprayed some fluid, and then I'm going with the toothbrush and I'm wiping, and it's coming out. See how it's coming off there? I just put the napkin in there so the cleaner doesn't go all the way inside. That's the reason, but yep. Alright, I just put it back on. Just started to put the top bolt just to hold it in place here. I put the gasket, lined it up. First I placed the gasket, then I placed the throttle body. And all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tighten this bolt, not all the way, just enough to hold it a little bit. And then I'm gonna put the other 2 bolts in the bottom. And then I'm gonna tighten one by one all around so to get it nice and even. I'm gonna put the sensors back in place. Then I'm gonna put the cold air intake back, plug in the sensor for the cold air intake, make sure all the sensors are plugged in, make sure everything's secure, and then we should be good. We've got everything connected. The sensor, this sensor, this sensor. Let's take it for a test run and see how she performs. Alright, so that didn't solve my braking, losing power problem, but that's how you install that's how you clean the throttle body. Simple, not that hard. Basically, I still gotta find out what's causing my power loss as I'm braking. So I might just take it to a mechanic, I don't know. Yep. Oops.